The Australian mining industry amounts to 75% of the country's exports, contributes significantly to Australia's workforce, and is a leading influence on Australia's standard of living, rising incomes, and flourishing economy. Australia is one of the world's leading producers of bauxite, which is basically aluminium ore, iron ore, lithium, gold, lead, diamond, rare earth elements, uranium, and zinc. Australia also has a large mineral sand deposits of ilmenite, zircon, and rutile. Traditional exploration techniques in the mining are costly, slow, and provide a limited view of the nature of the deposit. New discoveries are often located in remote areas, such as Western Australia or far north Queensland in Australia, or they are under deep underground. The quality of many deposits has fallen and uncertainty exists right up until material is removed from the ground. As a result, risk accumulates from the early stages of a project. Combining multiple sources of data such as satellite imagery, gravity survey, hyperspectral imaging, and even the observed behavior of subatomic particles as they travel through the Earth will allow for potential deposits to be identified and assessed more quickly. This is where cloud services usage is very, very useful. Another challenge Australian mining industry is facing is around operating the mines. Operating a mine is all about making critical decisions at the right time, and there are a lot of them. From the tactical that may determine which bin of the crusher to use to long term plan sequencing activities that won't occur for decades, these decisions can only be made using the best information available at the time. Current integration methods can result in issues with data quality and timeliness, eroding its value and contributing to suboptimal outcomes. Embracing automation will promote a diverse ecosystem, allowing for the best tools to be used for the job while seamlessly integrating into and supporting the broader technology environment. Then we have GreenOps or sustainability. GreenOps along with FinOps is becoming big thing these days and mining is no exception. To reduce emissions, you first need to understand how and where they are being generated. System-wide analysis and simulation will allow for selection of optimal emissions reduction strategies, influencing every aspect of a mine's design and operation. Modern equipment is inherently more data dense, but they generate but what they generate is of little value when viewed in isolation. All of this data needs to become part of the larger optimization problem, and that is where cloud comes handy as it has a scale to handle this data. All of these requirements, including the need to capture, store, and process massive amounts of structured and unstructured data, increasing demand for high performance compute capability, and ubiquitous connectivity are well handled by the cloud. So these are few of the challenges which mining industry in Australia is facing, and many of the cloud providers, especially AWS, has a lot of tools around it. And in the subsequent videos, I intend to cover those tools on technical grounds one by one. I hope this was useful. If you have any comments or feedback, please put them in the comments. Thanks.